Once upon a time, a long time ago, in a little but powerful kingdom, lived a great priest. For more than 10 decades, he had guided other priests and kings and also helped the kingdom to be prosperous and powerful and was respected by all. He helped guide the people in the right directions and also the right things in life to do. But unfortunately, one day he fell very sick. He had to choose someone to take his place, and the leader of the kingdom work while he joins his ancestors. He thought about his three sons, but he could not decide. He loved them all. So, after a night of deep meditation, the priest called his three sons together. He told them, "For many years now, we have lived and walked together as you have learned the ways of the kingdom. Soon, I will leave this world behind to join my ancestors. One of you must take my place as the priest, the great leader of this community, this great kingdom of ours. I could not choose among you, so I have a test to help me pick the next priest." The great priest said, "By 12 noon tomorrow, I want each of you to steal something, but you must steal it so gently that no one will know who stole the item or how it was stolen. Think carefully about what I am saying and all I have taught you over the years, my children." The cleverest thief will take my place as the priest of this kingdom. As you all know, I have been sick for some time now. His sons were surprised, but each wanted to become the next priest, so they did not question him. The sons began thinking about their task, except one named Esewi. Esewi asked softly, "Papa, how can you ask us to steal?" His father replied, "I'm asking you to steal my son, so that no one can name the thief." That evening, there was a strange feeling in the kingdom. Everyone was murmuring around, and the sons kept a close look at each other. They all left town to steal. One of the sons went to the market and stole a grain of rice. Another went to the home of a widow, stole from her fruits while she was away. So, at dawn, even the wind blew in excitement. The sons gathered among themselves and to their father, carrying their stolen items, all except Esewi. Their father looked around and his eyes were sad. Has each one of you stolen something? He asked. No, said Esewi. I brought you nothing, Papa. Wanting to impress their father, the eldest son spoke up. Papa, I stole from a widow while she was away. The other son said, I stole a grain of rice, and it was stolen I was very careful. It was just a grain of rice, and nobody will ever notice, and nobody can ever miss a grain of rice. The two sons were proud of their deeds, and their father raised his hand in silence. He asked, Esewi, my son, why are you empty-handed? Papa, I have followed you, and I have followed your ways and teaching since I was born. I also thought about all that you have taught us over the years. You have taught us to live without hurting others, to defeat our greed, and act with wisdom in all that we do. Stealing did not seem right to me, Papa. Not even if the prize was to be the new priest of this great kingdom. I began to think deeply about your words. He continued. You told us to steal so that no one could name the thief. This is impossible, Papa. Even if I lied to everyone, I could never keep my action a secret to myself. I would be the thief, and I will always know it. The other brothers nodded, seeing the truth in Esewi's words. Their father smiled and said, Yes, you may hide your action from the world, but never from yourself. Their father told Esewi and made him the new priest. He sighed deeply, pleased with his choice. All the other sons bowed to Esewi as their new leader, and his father was proud of what Esewi had done.